Ishan, let's go back. Nice beaver dam. Let's go back. Chalo. This way out. Yeah, come.
And if we go from the ram, we'll see all the new dams.
Yeah, come here, come here.
Do you see the fallen tree?
Huh? Yeah, there's a fallen tree.
And if we go on this ram,
Yeah.
see the whole tree. Do you want to come?
Now we'll go this way. Go back. Your cycle is back there.
Now,
Follow me. Follow this trail.
and see, if you follow this trail, it will end to the old dam to the new one. You will see this dam.
Go on the trail, not on the side.
That's the watery place.
Hmm. No, not there. This way, this way. This is another place, water dam, Ishan. This is where also they dam the water.
Yes, this is also where they dam the water.
Okay, let's go. Chalo.
But they were farming those big trees because they don't want water on top of the stem. They wanted water on top of their root to grow.
Go up. Careful. Hold this stick. Hold it. Yeah. Go. Good job. See, this is what is this?
This is beaver.
Beaver cut this thing.
Yes, beaver was trying to cut this tree, but it was too wide because beaver's mouth is too small. This tree is too wide.
Yeah, this is a too big tall tree.
Yes, he wanted to cut it to make a new dam, but it is too wide. He couldn't make it.
Huh.
Because one time you will see, I have helped you with one stick with beaver. I helped you with one stick.
Where are you going? Come this side. Go. Come back. Come back. Come back.
Right?
Go this way. Yeah, go this way. Go next to the. We can go next to the dam.
This is
Next to the pond. Next to the beaver dam or the pond. Yeah, that's it.
This is a place. You can see this. Everything here. Look, this is the water, but it stopped because there's no way to go out. Then it has to flow back out to the moving spot.
Ishan, come show this one.
And see, you can see over here. Look, that's the other tree. If you go on top of it, you will end to a different place.
Oh yes.
And see, this place, you go here. This is another place. But it looks like so weird because the water stopped. And if you see this dam, this is also water stop dam. Over there, there's another one, but I can't show you because I'm too far away from it. There's also another stop dam.
This is another fallen tree.
Yes, another
You wanna climb up?
Yes.
Can you?
Oh, this is a big tree.
Okay. Do you want me to help you?
Yes. How about?
Good job. Ishan, you want to walk all the way there?
Yes.
Let's go. Go slow. Okay, you want to follow me? Stay here. Let me climb. Okay, now let's go.
Be careful.
Huh?
Be careful.
Wait. Just leave my sweater. Just hold my hand.
Because I think I may fall without this water.
You won't fall. This is Ishan's adventure day.
Yes.
Ishan, this is how beaver makes dam. All the get the sticks, big tree, and it builds the dam like this. So Ishan walked across. Stay there.
Yes.
Oh, there is something hiding there.
Huh?
Look, Ishan, you walked all the way the big long tree trunk to come here. Nice.
Yes. Something. See? Who's hiding here? You said.
I saw something there, but I think it just went inside. Let's go back. Let's go.
Maybe it was the beaver.
Yeah, he made a dam here, a lot of sticks here, but the sticks are all. I think this dam is broken. The sticks are here, but it's broken. Careful. Okay, let's go.
The sticks are in the water.
Yeah, the sticks are inside the water. So this is another dam he built, but this is an old dam. It is gone.
Over there, that's an older dam too.
Yeah, that's I think a newer dam, big one, huge one. Go. Huh?
It was that the beaver who hidden in the water?
Yes, let's go.
Why the beaver was hiding from you? Huh?
Chal, go. Go carefully. You want me to hold my hand?
Yes. Did
Hmm?
they wanted to see the beaver dam?
Yes,
One is fixed.
yes,
Beaver will fix the dam.
yes.
But I don't know when.
Okay, now you have to jump. Oh, careful. Sorry. Okay, is it muddy?
Yes. See?
But again, that's okay. Let's go.
Because I'm wearing all the shoes. That's
Yes.
okay. Dad, you said somebody was hiding from you. Over there, one bigger creature with a stumpy mouth. That must be the beaver.
Yeah, chompy mouth beaver. Okay, let's go quickly. Go quick.
Why?
No, that's not the way. I think this is the way. Be careful, there's water. Go quick. No, don't go up. There are bushes. Come this side. Go quick.
What is the water doing up here?
Jump. Go. Yeah, we are back. This is another dam beaver building.
Yes, see? We have helped the beaver with one of these sticks, see?
Okay, so there is our cycle. We are almost at the end of the trail. Quick. Jaldi.
Why?
Ah.
Oh.
Come quick, jump.
How did you run like that?
Yeah, quick. Come, here is your cycle. We are at the end of the trail. Then come quick. And this is our main dam that is broken. This is another huge dam that broke.